Hi everyone, this is the lab getting familiar with the Linux shell. Introduction. In this lab you will use the Linux command line to manage files and folders and perform some basic administrative tasks. Part 1 Shell Basics. Part 2 Copying, delete and moving files. Repeat Part 2 Copying, deleting and moving files. Recommended equipment: security workstation, virtual machine. Instructions. Part 1 Shell Basics. The shell is the term used to refer to the command interpreter in Linux, also known as a terminal, command line, and command prompt. The shell is very powerful way to interact with a Linux computer. Step 1 Access the command line. Okay, log on the CyberOps workstation VM as the analyst using the password CyberOps. The account analyst is used as the example user account through this lab. To access the command line, click the terminal icon located in the dock. At the bottom of VM screen, the terminal emulator opens. Okay, go to the virtual machine is CyberOps. Enter. Close. And close. Well. And okay. And to access the command line, click the terminal. Okay. Here is the terminal. Okay. Step 2 Display manual page from the command line. You can display command line help using the man command. A man page, short for manual page, is a built-in documentation for the Linux commands. A man page provides detailed information about a given command and all its available options. To learn more about the man page, type man. Okay. Enter man. Okay. View and summit. Manual pager utils. Name man and interface to the system reference manual. Synopsis. Man options section page. Man key approves option. Okay. Description. Man is the system manual pager. Each page argument given to man is normally the name of a program, utility or functions, and the manual page associated with each of these arguments is then found on display. A section it provides will direct man to look only in that section of the manual. The default action is to search in all of the available sections following a predefined order, see defaults, and to show only the first page found, even if page exists in several sections. The table below shows the section numbers of the manual followed by the types of page they contain. 1. Executable programs or shell commands. 2. System calls, function provided by the kernel. 3. Library calls, function within program libraries. 4. Special files, usually found in /dev. 5. File formats and conventions. 6. Games. 7. Miscellaneous, including macro page and conventions. Man growth man page. 8. System administration commands, usually only for root. 9. Kernel routines, non-standard. A manual page consists of several sections. Conventional sections name include name, synopsis, configuration, description, option, exit status, return value, errors, environment, files, version, conforming to, notes, books, examples, authors, and see also. The following conventions apply to the synopsis section and can be used as a guide in other section. Both text type exactly as shown. Okay, exact reading may vary depending on the output device. For instance, man will usually not be able to render italics when running in a terminal, and will typically use underline or color the text instead. The command or function illustration is a pattern that should match all possible invocations. In some cases, it is advisable to illustrate several exclusive invocations as is shown in the synopsis section of this manual page. Example: man, ls, man7, man7, man a into, man t bash, man l, man k, man f. Overview: many options are available to man in order to give as much flexibility as possible to the user. Changes can be made to the search path, section order, output processor, and other behaviors and operations detailed below. If set, various environment variables are interrogated to determine the operation of man. It is possible to set the catch-all variable manout to any string in command line format, with the exception that any space used as part of options argument must be escaped, presaved being a backslash. Man will parse manout prior to parsing its own command line. Okay. Okay. Name a few sections that are included in a man page. Name a few sections. Okay. The few sections is description. Okay. What is it's here is synopsis, configuration, description, options. Here, moment here. Okay. Its name, synopsis, config, options, so on. Okay, a few sections in the man page are named, synopsis, configuration, description. Okay. Type Q to quit. Type Q to exit the main page. Okay, Q. Use the man command to learn more about the cp command. Okay, man cp. Okay. Return is very interesting this part. You can display command line help using the man command, and man page short for manual page. Okay. Okay. Name, cp, copy files and directory, synopsis, cp options, so description, copy source to dest or multiple source to directory. Mandatory arguments to log options are mandatory for shared options too. Archive, attributes only, backup, content, force, interactive, link. The reference, no clover, differencer, same as. Okay. By default, sparse source files are detected by a crude heuristic, and the corresponding desk file is made sparse as well. That is the behavior selected by specific to create a sparse desk file whenever the source file contains a long enough sequence of 0 bytes. Use sparse never to inability creation or sparse files. Okay. What is the function of the cp command? Function copy files and directories. Name, synopsis, description, author, reporting books, copyright, see also, GNU current. Okay, it's only copy files and directories. Copy. Copy files from one location to another location in the local file system. Okay. What command will you use to find out more information about the pwd command? What is the function of the pwd command? Okay, q and man pwd show the directory current directory show the current directory. Print name of current working directory. Okay. What command will you use to find out more information about the okay? Print the full name of the current working directory. Okay. Is print name of current working directory. And print the full name of the current working directory, logical, physical, help display, this help and exit version. If no option is specified, please assume not. Okay, your shell may have its own version of PWD, which usually supersedes the version described here. Please refer to your shell's documentation for details about the option it supports. Write by merging reporting books, copyright, see also. Okay. What command will use to find out more information about the P? Okay. With output page information and exit if no option specific. With L. Okay. The man pwd command is used to access the man page about pwd. The pwd command prints the name of the current of working directory. Okay. Step 3. Create and change directory. In this step, you will use the change directory cd, make directory mkdir, and list directory ls command. Note: a directory is another word or folder. The terms directory and folder are used interchangeably through this lab. Type pwd and the prompt. Okay. And type pwd and the prompt. Home and list. Okay. What is the current directory? It is answer my body. The current directory is home analyst in this example. Okay. Navigate to the home analyst directory. If it is not your current directory, type cd home analyst. Okay. Is in the home analyst. Type ls. Okay. Uh-huh. Option display file size, permission, ownership, date of creation, and more. Okay. Okay. Display file size. Okay. Analyze. File size, permissions, date of creation, and more. Okay. In the current directory, use the mkdir command to create 3 new folders: cops folder 1, cops folder 2, and cops folder 3. Type mkdir Okay, and presenter repeat this step to create. Okay, and type nk, sorry, dear side ops folder. Sorry. Okay, I need to change this part. Keyboard layout, general layouts. Okay, and more. Believers by country. Okay. Okay. One moment, please. Okay. Is here and here. Add English, remove, and spread layout for each window, new window use. Okay, that's all. Okay, and PsyOps folder 1. Okay, folder 1. And enter. Okay, 2 and 3. So type ls to verify that the folders have been created. Okay, and my folder is here. So dirty2. Okay, type cd home at the command prompt and press enter. Okay, change directory with pwd. Okay, ls. Okay, go to the cd psyops folder 3. Enter. Okay, which folder are you in now? In folder 3. Sorry, folder 3. In this example, the current directory is home folder 3 as indicate the psyops folder 3 on the prompt. Okay, note in the analyst secops from above. Okay, the tilde symbol represent the current user's home directory. In this example, the current user's home directory is home analyst. After the cd home analyst psyops folder 3 commands, the current user's home directory is now home analyst psyops folder 3. Okay. One moment, please. Okay. Note $sign indicates regular user privilege if a hashtag or policy is displayed at the prompt. It indicates elevate privilege root user. Okay. Dollar and privilege. Note while their symbols, convention, and mind concepts remain the same. Repeat note while the symbols, convention, and mind concepts remain the same. The prompt of the terminal window is highly customizable in Linux. Therefore, the prompt structure seen in the CyberOps Workstation VM will likely differ from the prompt in other Linux installation. Challenge: type the command cd and describe what's happened. Okay, cd and I need to copy this symbol. Okay, sorry. Let's paste. Okay. Uh, Return to the main folder, and the directory changes to the home directory because the shell interprets the symbol as a shortcut for the current user's home directory. cd change to the current user's home. Use the mkdir command to create a new folder named inside the Cyclops folder tree. Cd it's Cyclops folder tree. And I need to create mkdir psyops folder 4. Okay. mkdir or mk only. md, no? Okay. And use ls command to verify the folder creation. Okay. And code psyops folder 4. Okay. Yes. Okay. Up to this point. We have been using full or absolute paths. Absolute path is the term used where referring to the paths that always start at the root directory. It is also possible to work with relative paths. Relative paths reduce the amount of text to be typed. To understand relative paths, we must understand the do not double dot directories from the psyops folder tree directory issues a ls la. Okay, so ls slash home slash analyst slash psyops folder tree. Enter. Okay. One moment. Okay. The option tells list to show all files. Notice the N listing shown by the ls. These listings are used by the operating system to track the current directory and the parent directory. Okay, you can see the use of the dot and double dot when using the cd command to change directories. Using the cd command to change the directory to the dot directory incurs no visible directory change as the points to the current directory itself. Okay, change the current directory to type cd dot enter. Okay, what's happened? Nothing. Apparently nothing, but the command interpreter has changed the directory to current directory itself. Okay, changing the directory to the directory will change to the directory that is one level up. This directory is also known as parent directory type cd double point. Okay, so okay, what's happening? Back one directory. The directory was changed to home analyst. Okay, which is the directory immediately above SciOps folder tree, also known as parent directory. What will be the current directory if you use the cd command? Okay, what would be the current directory if you okay pwd is home. Is home. Okay. What will be the current directory if you use the cd command and the analyst? Okay, new. Okay, cd and is the root backslash the root of the file system. What will be the current directory if you use the cd command and the analyst? Okay, new again. And nothing. Nothing. The root of the file system, because this is the highest level, no word change is done as the root directory has no parent directory. Step 4. Redirect outputs. Another powerful command line operation in Linux is known as a redirect, represented by the symbol. This operator allows the output of a command to be redirected to some location under the current terminal window via default. Use the cd command to change the home analyze. Okay, cd slash in only this console paste. Okay. Okay, now cd home okay pwd. Okay, use the echo command to echo a message because no outputs was defined. Echo will output to the current terminal window. Echo this is a message. Echo it to the terminal by echo. This is a message. Echo to the terminal by echo. Use the operator to redirect the output of echo to as a text file instead of the screen. No outputs was shown. Okay. Copy, paste. Okay. Command the not found but can be installed with sudo apt install. Okay. Use the operator to direct the output of echo to a text file instead. Okay. Okay. Echo, this is a message. Echo output explain. Yes, the output was redirected to the some text file. Okay, notice that even though the some text file txt file did not exist prior to the echo command, it was automatically created to receive the outputs generated by echo. Use the ls command to verify if the file was really created. Okay, ls. Okay, okay. Use the command to display the content of the song text. Use the cat command to display the content of the song. Okay. Cat song text file dot txt. Okay. Here. This is a message echo to the terminal by echo. Okay. Cat some text no such file. Okay. I need to copy this and paste. Okay. And okay, this is a message issued to the terminal by echo. Okay. And echo. Okay. So okay. Use operator again to direct a different echo outputs of echo to some text file. Okay. Echo, this is a different message. Once again, echo terminal by echo. Copy and paste command from the try to obtain some. Okay. Once again, use the cat command to display of the count. Okay. Cats. Some text file. What happened to the text file? Explain. The text file was completely replaced by the new message. The operator destroyed the content of the txt file before reading the message echo by echo. The file redirect and append to a text file, similar to the operator and okay. Similar to the operator also allows for redirecting data to files. The directness is that appears data to the end of the reference file, keeping the current content intact. To append a message to the some text file .txt, issues the command below. Copy, paste, enter. Use the cat command. Okay. Paste and enter. This is another line of text pairs to the output files. What happened to the text file? Explain. The new message was appended to the end of the file, keeping the original content intact. Step 6. Work with hidden files in Linux. In a Linux files with name, repeat, in Linux, files with names that behind with a dot, single dot, are not shown by default. While dot files have nothing else special about them, they are called hidden files because of this feature. Examples of hidden files are .file5, .file6, and file7. Note: do not confuse .files with the current directory indicator symbol, hiding the file names behind. Begin with a dot period followed by more characters, while the dot directory is a hidden directory comprised of only a single dot. Use ls to display the files stored in the analyst home directory. Okay, ls. Okay, how many files are displayed? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Answer may vary based on the user's prior lab activities and interaction in the server's workstation VM. Make sure to also count the directories displayed by is in blue. Okay. Use the command to display all files in the home directory of analyst includes the hidden files. Okay. Well, how many more files are displayed than before explained? So much. A lot of. So much. Many more are ls displayed in addition to regular files are the hidden files in folder. Is it possible to hide entry directories by adding a dot before its name as well? Are the many directories output of ls above? Yes. There are many hidden directories in the output. Give 3 examples of hidden files shown in the output. Okay. .dm rc .hidden and .less. Okay. Config bash history. Okay. Type the man ls command at the prompt to learn more about the ls command. Okay. Clear. And man ls. Use the down arrow key one line at a time or the spacebar one page at a time to scroll down to the page and locate the option used above the read its description to familiarize yourself with the lsa command. Okay, let's hear do not ignore entries starting within. And do not ignore entries start with. Okay. Okay, part 2, copying, delete, and moving files. Step 1, copying files. The cp command is used to copy files around the local file system. When using cp, a new copy of the file is created and replaced in the specific location, leaving the original file intact. The first parameter is the source file and the second is the destination. Issue the command below to copy some text file.txt from the home directory to the psyops folder 2 folder. Okay. And pwd pwd ls. Okay. cp some text file psyops psyops folder to slash copy. Okay, enter. Again is only copy. Identify the parameters in the cp command above. What are the source and destination files? Use full paths to represent the parameters. Source, home, analyst, sound, okay, destination, folder 2, sounds, okay. Yeah. CD, side, folder 2, okay, ls, okay, it's here and it's here. Back. And use the ls command to verify the song is now in copy folder. Yes, and yes. Okay, sorry, go to the ls. Sorry. Let's change directory. Okay. Deleting files and directories. Use the rm command to remove files. Use the command below to remove the files on text file from the home directory. The ls command is then used to show that the file some textfile.txt has been removed from the home directory. Okay, ls and remove some. Okay, and ls-l. Okay, dirty okay. And Linux directories are seen as the type of file. So the rm command is also used to delete directories, but the recursive option must be used. Notice that all files and other directory inside a given directory are also deleted when deleting a parameters directory with the R option. Use the command below to delete the psyops folder 1 folder and its content. Okay. Okay, recursive psyops folder 1 ls-l 28. Okay. Step 3. Moving files and directories. Moving files work similarly to copy files. The difference is that moving a file removes it from its original location. Use the moving command to move files around the local file system. Like the cp commands, the moving commands also require source and destination parameters. Issue the commands below to move the sound text file.txt from folder 2 back the home directory. Okay, go to the folder 2. 3D science folder 2. Yes, okay, move some, go home / analyst. Okay. And ls. Okay. What command did you use to accomplish the task? Sorry, PsyOps. Um, okay, recursive reflection. What are the advantages of using the Linux command line? The command line allows the users more options and control over the graphical interface. As the user becomes more experienced with the command line, the user may combine these commands in scripts to perform routing tasks. The command line interface uses fewer resources when users administrate the computer remotely. And it's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you later.